Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable for product database management and sourcing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Airtable into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Airtable website link from the search results. Once on the home page, locate the sign up for free button and click it. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. Alternatively, you can choose to sign up using your Google account for quicker access. After signing up, check your email for a verification link from Airtable. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to Airtable and log in with your credentials. You will be directed to the Airtable dashboard. To create a new base for your product database, click on the Add a Base option. You can choose to start from scratch or select a template that suits product management. If you opt for a template, browse through the available options and select one you prefer. After selecting a template or creating a base, give it a descriptive name related to your product database. Now, let's set up your product table. In your new base, you'll see a default table named Table 1. Click on this table name to rename it perhaps to add a new column, click on the plus sign, plus symbol, at the end of your existing columns. Choose the appropriate field type for each column, such as single line text, number, or drop-down. Input sample data into your product table to get started. To add a new product, click on the empty row and fill in the relevant details. Repeat this process until you have a sufficient amount of product entries. To organize your table further, consider adding filters to show specific product categories. You can also sort products based on price or stock level by clicking the column headers. To enhance collaboration, invite team members by clicking on the Share button. Enter their email addresses and set appropriate permission levels for their access. For sourcing purposes, create another table in the same base, perhaps labeled Suppliers. Input relevant supplier details such as name, contact info, and product supply. Link your products table to the suppliers table to streamline sourcing. To do this, create a new column in your products table. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.